In today's modern age of desperation for cash, it's a wise idea to have emergency loans. After all, if you need immediate cash, then you need it now. But there are a few things you should consider before getting yourself the first money loan available. Before you start looking at the best available options for obtaining an emergency loan, you need to understand what you are going to do during the entire loan process. Once you know exactly what you will be doing, then you'll be able to do it quickly and effectively. What you don't want to do is waste time and resources waiting for a cash advance to get approved. First, you should look into debt consolidation. When you are looking for a way to get out of your debt, you will find that there are many places to get help. That is where the debt consolidation option comes in. This option will combine all of your bills and balances into one payment that you make monthly. You will pay the consolidator fees on top of this, which will allow you to easily get out of debt without ever having to worry about money again. With this option, you will save yourself a lot of hassle in the future by not having to deal with any of the high-interest debts again. Not only will you save money, but you will find that you are living a life of freedom. Now that you know how you can get emergency loans, then it's time to look at the ways you will pay them back. Once you have a budget set up and you know exactly how much you are going to pay, then you can look into the possibilities. Look into emergency loans. Emergency loans are ones that aren't meant to be paid back. They are used to pay off other debts. These loans should only be taken out if you absolutely have to have cash at hand right away. If you carry a lot of debt with cards and other kinds of debt, you should try to pay off the debt with credit cards. The main reason you should try to pay these off is that these cards have high interest rates. And the higher interest rates just add up quickly. You can negotiate with the different card companies to get a better rate of interest. Also, don't pay off the credit cards at once. This is a good idea because you should be moving up and down from card to card as you make your payments to get the most from each card. Make sure you pay your emergency loans off as quickly as possible. They shouldn't take more than a week or two to pay off completely. A single week of emergency cash could mean thousands of dollars. Remember that although you may not need emergency cash right away, you will certainly need emergency cash at some point. So, the sooner you get the money you need, the better. And if you do this, you will be making better financial decisions and enjoy a life that is free from all the stress and worry. With these simple tips, you should be able to get emergency loans. And by taking a little time to put together a budget that works for you, you will be well on your way to getting out of debt and being financially prepared.